Happy birthday, MJ. Today, you're turning 31, and while birthdays usually come with cake, candles, and way too many photos, this one comes with something a little different. A reminder of how loved you are. Not because it's your birthday, but because sometimes we all need to be reminded of the impact we have on the people around us. And MJ, your impact is bigger than you know. You are kind. Not only when it's easy, but especially when it's not. You are an incredible daughter, an incredible sister, an incredible wife, an incredible friend. Not because you're perfect, but because you show up for the people you love. Again and again. You make people feel valued. You make them feel safe. You make them feel like they matter. And in a world where everyone is busy, that's something truly special. MJ, we are so proud of you. Proud of everything you've achieved. Proud of the person you've become. And proud to know you. Now, there are some people who couldn't be here today, but they wanted to tell you something themselves. So before we finish, let's hear from the people who love you most.
Hello, Ate. I love you so much and happy birthday and enjoy your day. Love you and see you pag balik niyo rito. Oh, I love you.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Happy birthday sa iyo ate. Ang wish ko ay maging malagaya ka habang buhay. Magsama kayo ng matagal ni Josemi at huwag kayong mag-aaway lagi. Only love lang kayong dalawa ha. Alam ko na masaya ka, deserve mo yan na maging happy. Proud na proud ako sa iyo anak. At salamat sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Hindi mo kami pinapabayaan kahit minsan na-HB ka na. Sa dami ng mga gastusin. Basta mahal na mahal ka namin. Salamat ng marami sa lahat ng tulong mo sa amin. Hindi mo kami pinapabayaan. Lagi ka lang nandyan para suportahan kami. Gagawin ko lahat ng best ko para maging super nanay na. Love na love ka namin. Mag-iingat kayo lagi dyan. At saka may isa pa akong wish. Sana maisipan mo magkaanak kasi sayang naman ang lahi ni Josemi na napakpoging apo pag nagkaroon ako ng apo sa'yo. Love na love ka namin ate. Mag-iingat ka lagi. Laging hindi ka magkakasakit. Basta yun. Masaya ako para sa'yo kasi alam kong happy ka. Salamat ate. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo yung day mo ha. Sa birthday mo. I love you. Love na love ka namin. I miss you ate. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday ate. I love you po. I love you ate. Hohemi. I hope you're the best ate in the world and the best Hohemi in the world. Mag-take care kayo lahat dyan. Ingat po kayo. Dapat hindi ka magkasakit ate ha. Pag nagkasakit wala na. Ate magpagaling ka ate ha. Pag nagpasakit ka ate. I love you po. Bye bye. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday ate. Miss ka na namin. Basta wish ko sa'yo yumaman ka na. Ingat ka dyan sa Spain. Love you. Bye bye.
Birthday mate. Kamusta ka na? Sana baligaya ka at nag-iingat ka lagi ka. Huwag pabayaan ang sarili mo ha. Lagi ka madasal. Huwag ka makalimut sa taas ha. Ingat ka lagi. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tati May! Happy birthday! Wish ko for you. Sana makarating ka na rin dito para mag-bonding na tayo together. I miss you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Tita May. We love you.
We love you.
Mwah.
Happy birthday, May. Ingat kayo lagi dyan. Stay fab and sexy, ah!
Happy birthday, Tita May. Ingat ka po lang dyan. Happy birthday, May. Ingat po kayo palagi dyan. Happy birthday, Tita May. Ingat ka kayo palagi dyan. I love you po.
Hi ate, kamusta? Kamusta ang buhay may asawa? Happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka palagi kayo dalawa ni Jose May. Hopefully matupad mo lahat yung pangarap mo para sa mama mo, sa mga kapatid mo, para sa inyong dalawa ni Jose May. Mag-iingat ka palagi ate. Mahal na mahal ka namin. I love you and I miss you ate. Ingat palagi. Happy birthday uli.
Hi man, happy birthday. I love you. Wala akong ibang piling kundi maging masaya ka sa buhay, good health. Ingatan mo palagi ang sarili mo at sana lagi kayo masaya ni Jose. Love na love ka namin ng mga bata ni Kuya Mac mo. Mag-ingat ka palagi. Sana makita niyo ng mga bata soon. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ate May. Ingat po kayo dyan. Stay healthy po.
Wish you good health and good life. Ingat po dyan.
Gusto po Tita May, Tito Josemi. Tsaka happy birthday po Tita May. Ingat po kayo dyan sa Spain. Love you po, ingat.